collect teas and I collect candles, but now my candles are all burned. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my first no, it's not my first vlog in this new apartment, but yeah, welcome back. It's just a vlog. It's just a weekly vlog. Welcome back to this weekly vlog. I'm tired, but I have to go to work. It's, I think, 7:05 in the morning. I woke up a little bit later today, so because I don't have to go too early to my second job, so that's why I can wake up a little bit later. Yeah, so I'm in my bathroom. I wanna brush my teeth. I'm gonna do that. I don't know where to put the camera, but I'm gonna brush my teeth. Let me put it over here. But you can't really see me. No, you can't see me, but I will brush my teeth and then change and everything. Yeah, that's bad. I'm so tired. So let me go and heat up my water to take something. I always take some tea or some coffee in my, what is it? It's like a thermo cup. So that's why I always heat up the water. Then I'll go and check what to wear, but
Sometimes it takes 10 years to get that 1 year of change your life. Just keep going.
so guys, I'm gonna make myself some cappuccino. This one, I like cappuccino in the mornings. When I don't drink coffee, I drink this one. And look how cute my spoon is. I have all my stuff like a knife and forks in gold. I love it. I'm gonna take 2 spoons of that. The water is already heated up. So like this, a little bit sugar, and then yeah, that's it. So guys, today I'm gonna take you with me into my car. I bought this thing for the car and I hope it will work. And yeah, so let me get ready and pack my stuff and then see you in my car. Oh god. So guys, welcome. It's still like I can't really see myself with this thing. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna do that later. I wanted to stabilize this thing. You can't even see me, like, but I need to go. Whoa, but I need to go to work. So that's why we're gonna leave that for now. We are gonna leave this for now. Let me check my way to work, because I always not really check my way. I know the way, but I can see where there's traffic jams and everything before I take that way. So that's why I always turn on something like this. So yeah, you can't really see me and it's like not even like even, but yeah, that's good how I can get it. Like I can't get it better than this. Anyways, I'm on my way to work. It's now 7:30 in the morning. I will be at work, I think Google Maps says 7:58. Okay, 7:58. So anyways, so welcome. This is me in my car. First time like really vlogging. I bought myself the thing that I showed you before. I bought it from Amazon. I will leave you a link down. I don't know if it's already an affiliate link or not, but you will see, like I will have something written there if it is a affiliate link. Let me go here and pause this The things you were hearing in the background, I didn't really recognize, like that I was still listening. I always listen to motivational speeches in the morning, like always. Not only in the morning, but also in the daytime when I'm driving. Most of the time when I'm driving. Sometimes at home. No, not sometimes. Often. I listen often to motivational speeches, even when I'm like at home or in my car. But most of the time in my car. I think this is better, but I can't see me. It's like I should have moved it a little bit more to this side. I will do that after work, because for now I can't do that anyways, and I think it's not that bad that I can't see myself, so I can concentrate on driving. I can concentrate on driving. Yeah guys, so what should I tell you? I'm on my way to work, on my way to work, and in the morning it's always so much traffic. It's like after 7 the traffic gets worse. When I drive before 7, then it's better. So like I told you, I always have something hot to drink in my car, especially in the mornings. And yeah, this one I showed you, I just have some cappuccino inside. Sometimes I have coffee or tea. Today it's cappuccino. The sugar didn't like, the sugar. I don't know how to explain it, but I need to shake it a little bit so the sugar doesn't stay on the ground, Yeah, so that's that. I'm tired. I hate early mornings, and I know today it was okay. Like, there were times when I woke up so early in the morning, like 5 or so. But now, oh my gosh, here's already some traffic. Oh my god. What did my phone say? Where's my phone? Oh, it's over here. My phone said that there's traffic. Yes. It's like, you see that? Traffic, 24 minutes. When it's red, it's like there's somewhere where I will be in traffic. So, yeah. You know what? I can tell you what a car I'm driving. Oh my god, there was some shit from these shitty birds on my window. And I get so like, not sick, but let me check the words so you can understand. In the mornings when I see something like that, I'm like, this translator says I'm getting sick, but no, it's not like I'm getting sick. Or maybe you can say it, or it's the way of saying it in English, that I'm getting sick, but it's like I'm getting like but anyways, I washed it away a little bit. I hope today it will be raining. Anyways, I also have to go to the car washing stuff to wash my car. I didn't wash my car in months, so that's why I have to do that. And yeah, let me get to work somehow. I don't know. We don't know how we're gonna go to work because traffic is there. There is so much traffic here, and it sucks. Oh yeah. I'm just finished with work. Now I'm on my way to my second job. Let me start the car and let me check the way. Which way is the best way? Yes, like I'm on my way to my second job. Finished here. It's raining outside. I think you can see it. Now I placed the camera and I think it's a good, space where I put the camera now, and I think you can see me. Please don't pay attention to that one. It's like, it's garbage. I need to throw it away. So anyways, let us check.
Du befindest dich trotz stärkerem Verkehr als üblich auf der besten Route, Ankunft 16:25 Uhr.
And before I go to this old lady, I have to go to the supermarket and I have to buy some stuff. So yeah, so that's that. Yay! I think the camera now is placed really good. It's really good. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I'm finished with work. Today was a boring day. I didn't really do much at work. It was nothing to talk about, I think, because it was boring. It was boring. And now it's raining. And I'm on my way to my second job. I wish I could just go home like a normal person who just works and then goes home. One job, who just works one job, you know? But I work two jobs. And so many times I'm always like, I wish I could go home, just go home. Let's go home. But I chose to do it like this, you know? It's not like I was like forced to do it like this. But when I did my my internship, yeah, while I was doing my internship, I got to work with a company that does this thing, but now I'm working like by myself or on my own terms. I did that and I really like it, to work with older people. It's like, yeah, it's just working with old people who need help in their house, who need help with somebody going to the supermarket or all those stuff. And yeah, I like it. I like to help people, especially old people. And yeah, so that's why I started to work with old people. Now I'm doing it for, let me think, I think it's my 4th year now. But when YouTube and everything works, then I won't work in my office job and also not doing this old people stuff anymore, I think. But the first thing, when everything, like when I have enough money, then I will stop with the office job first, I think, and then later on stop with working my second job. But we will come there. We will definitely. Yeah, so that's that. It's so, the weather is so ugly. It's such an ugly weather. Rain and a little bit sunshine, as you can see, but the rain is getting on my nerves. Now the sun is blending my life. Now anyways, yeah, I hope this will work out. I think we will see each other and talk to each other later. Maybe when I'm in the supermarket I will vlog that, but I don't know yet, because for what. See you guys, bye. Morning everyone, and welcome back to another vlog, another day. Today is Thursday, the 8th of September. Yeah, and I woke up, I think 20 minutes ago. No, not 20 minutes, 30 minutes ago. I woke up 30 minutes ago. I had to take down some stuff into my cellar, and then I did my morning routine, like my face morning routine. And now, today I have to go to work at 1 p.m. So I have some time. I thought about doing a YouTube video for my German channel. So I'm gonna do that, and also for this channel I'm gonna do that. I'm in my, what is that? So yeah, you can see I'm in my bedroom. I'm gonna do a coffee. I'm gonna get me a coffee, or do a coffee, let me say it like that. And then I will start cleaning up a little bit. I have to wash some stuff. I still have too many stuff that I have to wash. And after that, yeah, I will just clean around. I think I will just clean around and take you with me a little bit or something. This room is still a big mess. Like the stuff behind me and everything is a big mess. I have to do my laundry. These ones are already washed and everything. This, like, it's washed, it can't be dirty. I have to take them off, put them away, and then and then I have also to clean a little bit over here, the kitchen area, and over this area a little bit. And yeah, that's the things that I want to do. And then I want to do the YouTube video. So yes, guys, that's what I want to do. Let me look for my thing where I can put the camera, because here I can't really put it somewhere, because I only have nothing, like nothing. Let me check for my tripod thing. It's here, this thing. Then this thing, I can take it around with me and I can just, yeah, you know what I mean. I am gonna wash my white stuff. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna wash the white stuff first. So guys, I divided the clothes that I have to wash into sections. This one is 30 degrees and that one is 40. So I'm gonna put it into my washer. So this is my washing machine. It's from Siemens, and yeah, let's wash this clothes. It's not much, so I don't know. We will see. I need 30. And then I need this white stuff. This is too much. Das ist schnell mixed. No, it's not a mix. Vielleicht plus. Yeah, this one is nice. Yes, this one is nice. It's 30 degrees and it's gonna wash for 1 hour and 16 minutes. So this is good. And I only put in some of this. So I don't know if you know that in the old times we were using like powder stuff and everything, but now innovation, I have this stuff. I have this one for the white clothes and the colored ones, and I just put it inside. And then this, it's called Weichspüler. I will put the English word somewhere. This goes here. Now I can close this one, and this goes inside of this stuff here. Like this. That's it. Yeah, that's it. I'm drinking this mango stuff and it's so good. See that? I love it. So I'm gonna do a coffee with this instant coffee stuff. It's okay, it's not the best. I love the fresh one, but I no longer have a coffee machine because I wanted to buy me a real one, you know. I will get me a coffee machine where I can do cappuccino, espresso and everything, you know, a real coffee machine. Until then, I'm gonna use this stuff. I'm gonna just use around this, like this. And what I also use, because I don't put in milk, when I put in milk then I feel sick, so that's why I don't do that. I only put in this stuff for coffee. It's some white stuff, I don't know, coffee weiser it's called, but I don't know the English word, so coffee whitener. Yeah, you can say it's coffee whitener. Yeah, it's coffee whitener. I'm gonna put in some of that. And then some sugar. I only drink my coffees with sugar, guys. I only drink it with sugar, so put in some sugar. And then my hot water. The kitchen is not done, so don't come for me or anything. The kitchen is not done. That's why it looks like it, like this. You see that? But because it's not done, I still have to do so much stuff. So, so I'm also gonna turn on the dishwasher. Just using the stuff, like, you know what's going on, like, you know what I mean. So yeah, let me check what program. I think this one, no, this one is okay. Yeah, this one is okay. So meanwhile, I'm gonna do my laundry and then see you later. So now I'm gonna do my laundry, the clean one. On this SD card I have 7 minutes left, so you will see me do that for 7 minutes and then that's it. Before I go to work, I decided to do some work in the house on my floor. Let me show you. There, you see, there and also there. I need to put some, it's called in German Leiste. There needs to be Leisten. And also here my corridor. Here on that side, they are already done. On this side they're already done, like there. See that? And I have to do this, and I have to do the same thing for the other sides. And that's what I'm gonna do now. everyone and welcome back to another day. Today is Friday the 9th of September. I already got done, like put on my gym clothes because I'm going to the gym now. It's, let me check the time, it's 9:05 in the morning. There you see it. And yeah, today what I'm planning to do today is to go to the gym. That's where I'm going. After that I will go around the shopping because my gym is in a shopping mall. I will go around those stores just looking, I think, and then I will go to a store called Action. Maybe I should take my camera with me. Okay, maybe I should, maybe I will take my camera with me. Yeah, this store is called Action, and there I want to buy some candles because I already burned all my candles. You know guys, I love candles. My friends, my family, everybody knows I love tea and I love candles. I collect teas and I collect candles, but now my candles are all burned. That's why I need some more. I need more. I need this place. This apartment needs to smell like, you know, like, oh my god. So that's why I'm gonna go to Action and buy me some candles because the candles, they're really, the quality is really nice and they're cheap. They're cheap. I'm a cheap one, so yeah. Why invest so much money when you can have some good stuff for less money? Like, I'm not dumb. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna go there, and after that I will come back, take a bath, and then I want to work on some videos, but just editing videos, so not really take a big video or something, just editing videos. That's my plan. Yeah, that's my plan for today. So maybe see you in the store. I'm a little bit afraid, that's why I don't want to take you, but I should take you. I shouldn't care about the people, but it's really not it's really hard to vlog when people are there. It's not really easy, but I will take you with me and show you the candles I'm talking about. And the store is so nice. I'm gonna take you with me. You know what? I'm gonna take you with me, period, point blank, period. Okay, so see ya. Hi guys, so I'm in my car now. I'm done with the gym. I'm out of the gym. And after the gym, after the training, I went into the sauna for 15 minutes. Now I'm really feeling so good. After the sauna, my skin always feels so nice. Anyway, so I'm on my way to this place I told you already, Action, to buy me some candles and maybe some other stuff. I will see. Yeah, I will be on my way there, and yeah, see you there. So guys, here we are at the candle station, and now I'm gonna pick out a candle, like. Kerze, Glitzer, Weißgold. Was sind die hier? Was ist das? Hi, sorry guys, I didn't really film this part very well, but yeah, that's my vlog, my weekly vlog, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video, and yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.